My name is Riley, and I'm from Dawsonville, Georgia, and I'm here for a hearing test.
So, for the next part, these are my headphones, and they're just going to go on your ears on the outside so you can hear what I have to say. All right, Miss Riley, can you hear me on your right ear? Pretty cool. Okay, sweetheart, I can only come through one ear at a time. So I want you to say what I say, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Say the word please.
Please.
Mm-hmm. Say the word great.
Great.
Say the word sled.
Sled.
Say the word pants.
Pants.
Say the word rat.
Rat.
Say the word bad.
Bad.
Say the word pinch.
Pinch.
Say the word such.
Such.
Say the word bus.
Bus.
Say the word need.
Need.
Good girl. Now I'm going to hop over to your other side. Okay, can you hear me okay over here? All right, sweet girl, same thing. Say the word ways.
Ways.
Say the word 5.
5.
Say the word mouth.
Mouth.
Say the word rag.
Rag.
Say the word put.
Put.
Say the word fed.
Bed.
Say the word fold.
Fold.
Say the word hunt.
Hunt.
Say the word no.
No.
Say the word box.
Box.
Awesome. Okay, Miss Riley, so for this next part, we're going to listen for beeps and whistles. Your job is to listen for a sound, and when you hear it, I want you to raise your hand big and tall and then put it down. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Perfect, good job. All right, now this squeaky sound is going to be teeny tiny, so listen for the tiniest squeaky sound you can hear. Good job, that was awesome. Okay, so now this one is going to be the grumpiest sound in the whole wide world. Whoa, that was so grumpy. Now listen for the teeny tiniest grumpy sound that you can possibly hear ever. Good girl. Okay, so now this next sound is going to be a little bit different. Good job. Okay, now here comes a different sound. It sounds like a mommy bird. Good job. You heard that tiny one? All right, last one. Don't let it trick you. Riley, you did fantastic. Now keep your hands on your lap, and I'll come in and take those headphones off your ears, okay?
The ENT Institute is very fun.